Yo, what is going on, guys? How are we doing? Crown here, and I'm here to show you guys how to get some free Solana back using Sol-Incinerator. And there's hundreds of videos here on how to use this. Leans. This guy is amazing. I watch all of his stuff. He actually started me a couple months ago. Shout out to you. So here, one thing that was always tripping me up is how people were finding their extra Sol. I'm hearing people in Shocked and Potion connecting to here and getting a Solana back, 0.1, half a Solana, any of it. And the only thing I've came to realize is nothing from BullX shows up here. So I have not found a video on YouTube yet showing you. So I'm going to show you, and let's dive in. Along with tons of other videos, I've came to realize nobody shows you how to actually get your unrealized BullX garbage burned up for free Solana. How we're going to do that is we're going to connect our wallet and connect your Phantom wallet. But first things first here is you connect your wallet, and I have made one for YouTube, so there's nothing going to be in here. But you should have some stuff to do here. It says I can resize 5 NFTs for this much Solana 0.01, which doesn't make sense, so I'm not going to risk any of this here. What you're not going to find here is your BullX information. So to connect that, you're going to come here. Navigating over to your wallet manager on BullX here, you should have your private seeds already saved. If not, very silly. I recommend always saving your private seeds. So for this video, we will make a new wallet. So you're going to save your private keys. You're going to come over here to Phantom wallet, and you are going to navigate to add a new wallet. And when you add a new wallet, now you should be able to import the private key that you got from BullX. Once you have imported your BullX wallet into Phantom wallet, we can now come over to Sol-Incinerator and we can change the wallet. We can click Phantom wallet, and now, let's redo this. We'll disconnect. Over here, we have switched the wallet to the YouTube wallet. If we connect, you will now see that I went from my main wallet to the Phantom wallet, the new YouTube wallet. So basically, this video is explaining that you need to import with a private key or a seed phrase your wallet into Phantom wallet. Once in Phantom wallet, choose that BullX wallet. I recommend naming, when adding a new wallet, let's just say I'm making a new wallet and I already added in the private key, I would name this BullX Neo main wallet main. Or if it's not your main, you can, which it's not, this is my third wallet, I would name it V3. So now I can create V3. So now I have V3. This is actually connected, a real IRL photo of how much you have in your BullX wallet, and you can check this on your phone, multiple places. I like doing this, my Nova Tracker wallet, multiple wallets I just have imported through Phantom, so I can hop on Phantom and go ahead and just monitor everything a little bit better, switch money around a little bit better through there, you know? Yeah, so anyway, with that being said, check out this video on how to use this from Leans. Sol-Incinerator, BullX Neo. I do not have a referral code for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It is my first video editing and everything here, so tried to do my best. I appreciate you guys. My overall goal is to meet awesome people, have a great time, and I think this is the first time ever we're able to do something like this, well, since crypto's been going on. But yeah, I'm here to make some money just like everybody else. So thanks, guys. Please give me a like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, everything, guys. It helps, and you know. So check out the YouTube video in the description of Leans. Sol-Incinerator links in there. I'll try to quit snapping and hitting the desk. But I appreciate you guys. Thanks. Later. In my next video, I will be showing you guys how you can claim free NFTs and get a head start on projects in a very cool space to launch your own brands. And if you're into music, to NFTs, to picture, to art, to news. So subscribe and get ready for the next one.